bacon for me because right now I can see it.
Scrape it off.
One look and I breathe. One touch
Half an ounce.
feels skinny.
Guess what we're making today?
Pizza bun.
Pizza pocket.
Pizza pockets.
Yeah, not bun.
Woo!
Yeah.
So this video is from who?
Hey Keto Mama.
HeyKetoMama.com. We're gonna put the link down below. So this is not our recipe, as usual. We're trying other people's recipes for you. All you people, all you 15 people out there watching.
Millions of people.
All right.
It's called Keto Fathead Pizza Pockets.
Fathead dough. Fathead dough is basically dough made out of cheese.
A cup and a half of almond flour.
Okay, but we're doubling the recipe, by the way, because we have more people. Normally, the original recipe makes 4 pizza pockets. We're doubling it, so we're gonna make 8. So technically, that was 3 cups.
I need water. I need water. Water. Where's water?
Why do you need water? To drink?
Yeah, because it's just a little bit spicier at the end.
Yeah, that's why.
I already have my water.
We already have one out.
This here is 4 teaspoons of xanthan gum. Can you dump that in, Monkey?
Okay, you're right.
What's this called?
Xanthan gum.
Gum?
That tastes good.
It's gum, yeah. Did it look like gum?
Xanthan gum is what's going to make it have a sort of
Does it taste
gummy
good?
texture like bread.
And then this here is our seasoning, which is Italian seasoning and a pinch of salt. And the last part for this part is some instant yeast.
I've made fathead dough before, and it's good. But I've seen a couple
Not
people
yet,
talk
not yet,
about.
buddy.
Hang on, buddy.
Can you dump this
About
in,
putting
Gus?
yeast in it to make it taste even more like
Pour it in
bread.
there.
And this is the first time I will have tried this one, so I'm looking forward to this.
Terry, don't forget at the end we need to
clicks.
taste our things.
We're gonna taste all of it. You better believe it.
Dry?
I guess it's kind of medium.
Not
I'll leave
see.
that.
I want to put it in.
Sorry,
Can
first we gotta add the 2 eggs.
I even try it? That's way too fast.
Yeah, baby! Okay, how do you put it back up?
Okay, that's
Aren't we supposed to have 6 eggs?
How about I find about? Oh, okay, never mind. I'm just gonna start eating my nuts.
I think we've lost the kids. The kids are directing us now. What's that?
Yeah, cheese looked like when, yeah, you might
David, I like that.
Yeah, you want to hold it like that? You can film me.
Oh,
See how you can see me now?
so now I can choose.
Now you can see me.
Hey, I got the biggest screen. What is the button to do?
So our dough hook wasn't doing such a great job,
No, it wasn't, was it?
so we're just gonna mix it up.
Actually,
You want to make sure
it
everything
goes
mixes together so you can't see the 2 different sets of ingredients. You want everything to look like a nice ball of dough with a consistent
What?
color and finish. If your dough hook isn't working well and you're going to use your hands, make sure your hands are wet because this stuff is sticky. I'm too old, my friend. Oh yeah, you got a bunch of kids in the backyard.
Oh yeah, I'm going out. Hey guys,
Okay.
it's all yours until I get back.
Come back to put the filling
Oh,
in.
I'm coming out. Don't worry. Hey, Rowan, I'm out.
Okay, bye. See you later. Have an amazing day. When are you gonna have your? You're gonna have a third.
We were planning on 7, lucky 7, but
So 5 more to go. You can make lots of videos with all those kids. All right, so we split this into 2 because we doubled the recipe. So each ball, we need to split this to make your hands wet, which I didn't do. I keep saying to make your hands wet, and then I didn't do it, of course. But we divide this each ball into 4 individual equal pieces.
and flatten them into desired shapes.
Man, that smells really good already.
Come on, you gotta put the cheese in there.
Okay. I just need one last taste on
This is for the pizza, not for Eillie.
Hold on.
Okay.
Jessica, there you go.
I wonder if we were supposed to put the meat first and then the cheese, or
Pizza.
you don't want pepperoni? Okay, then
Nope.
how about that one to be yours then?
Just take a little.
Yeah!
All right, we won't put pepperoni in. Bacon too.
Ooh, I'm gonna take some crispy, crunchy bacon. So it's kind of like I'm taking the whole thing of
A little
bacon.
bit of bacon. Oh, it is crispy crunchy. You're right.
So good for me.
Okay, I'm gonna close yours for you. Super sticky.
Check my buddy.
I'm gonna put a toothpick in it like that for when it cooks. Okay, that one's yours, and then we can take it out when it's finished.
Yeah.
They're definitely really sticky. They're not easily moldable, but actually, those are looking all right in the end. It feels like it's not gonna work, but then it does. So this is just for an egg wash. We brush egg on top of each of our pizza pockets. Okay, go. So, looks-wise, they look pretty amazing, in my opinion, right? They look like
I think they do.
legit OG pizza pockets. They look even better than that, right? Don't you think they look really cool? One thing is they don't have any pizza sauce in them because that makes them too soggy, so we have to use it as a dipping sauce. Do you want to dip it, or do you want to eat it without the sauce?
Good. I think I might need to take a bigger bite.
Okay, take a bigger bite. Yeah, you're only getting the dough right there. You're not getting any of the cheese and the meat yet. And you're only getting sauce.
How is it, buddy?
Punches my face.
Punches your
You punch
face.
in the face. Oh my god, that's awesome.
Yeah, it punches my face right off my body.
Really?
Yeah. It punches my face
Whoa,
away.
that's like the top.
It punches my face away and the wind blows it all the way over to Africa.
Ooh, you like it? What do you think? It's pretty fantastic. Yeah?
Thumbs up.
If I say it blew my head into Africa, it means it's the best pizza pocket ever.
It's a bit spongy, right? The bread part? Whoa. Whoa.
A little bit.
Hold on, another half. All right. Final verdict.
1 to 10.
10.
10.
I think it tastes better than, I like the dough better than the original pizza pockets. Come and have one.
Which one is Eillie's? This one?
This is Emily, Matt's wife.
Oh.
At least say hi. What do you think?
Yeah, the dough's a bit different.
It's
than
different.
Regular.
It does. It definitely isn't like,
Good.
oh my god, I thought that was real bread. Weird to think that all that is cheese and egg
Almond flour.
and almond flour. Oh, and yeast.
And the magic xanthan gum. I like it.
Yeah.
I would eat them.
I'm gonna
But
give it a 7.
Oh, yeah, it's bacon.
There's the
Oh.
meaty one. Yeah, I'd probably give it a 7 or 8, depending on how hungry I was. It's a sliding scale,
Yeah.
depending on how hungry you are.
Would you eat them again?
Oh, for sure. I
Would you
definitely.
make it? You know what? It's almost like soft pretzel texture.
It must be the yeast or something like.
Yeah.
It does taste like a bread.
I really think it's the yeast. The addition of the yeast is what's adding more of a bready flavor. In conclusion, I give it a 7, and I find that maybe it's a little bit of a pain in the ass to make it very often. It's kind of a hassle. Maybe
I think
if you make them, I'll eat them. That's what I would say.
Or I think depending on what you've been eating lately, if you're like, you know, I really, really want some pizza, but I don't want to have
That's true.
all the carbs, you might
Yeah.
whip up a batch of pizza pockets, then eat them all, and then be good for another 6 months.
Okay, so in that said, if you had a pizza craving and you ate one of these, do you think that would curb your pizza craving? I think it
I
would
think
for
so.
me. I'd be like, there, I feel like I've had pizza.
I think I'd put a lot more pepperoni in it.
It punches my face right off my body.